What's up everybody, my name is Dwight and welcome back to GeForce Garage. Last year we spent a few days in the Netherlands checking out Peter Brand's workshop, and while we were there we got a chance to meet up with Tim Warning, also known as Dutch Lion Customizing, and took a closer look at his very Pascal-themed PC mod, appropriately named Triangular.
Hi everyone, my name is Tim Warning, also known as Dutch Lion Customizing, and this is my NVIDIA themed case mod called Triangular. I do a lot of case mods for various companies. This time I wanted to do something just for fun, just for me. The inspiration for this case mod was the NVIDIA theme, and especially the NVIDIA marketing material using all kinds of triangular shapes, which I've tried to incorporate into the system in various ways. The vinyl pattern on the front and the top are made using 4 different colors of aluminium brushed vinyl pieces. They are all oriented in different ways. That way when the light shines on it, you get the sense that there are even more colors than I used for it. The grills are made from matte black acrylic. They were drawn out on a computer and sent to the laser cutter. At home I bent them and I fitted them to the chassis. One of the reasons I always use all kinds of paneling in my systems, and the grills in this one, is to create this clean loop inside your system so almost no wires can be seen. Not only the grills used for that, but also on the rear panel, the motherboard tray, I created a completely flat new surface which I could mount the reservoirs to. For this system I chose to go with the Bitspower hexagon reservoirs to really create that angular look. In the rear of the chassis I chose not to go with an outlet fan, but instead of that with a custom reservoir. With the claw logo, the green liquid actually makes the claw really look vibrant. The rear reservoir also adds a loop which creates a cross to complement the angular look of the system. I really wanted not to use a kind of hose or acrylic tube for this time, because there will be too much green into the system. I specifically chose to go for the shiny silver combination, just like the shroud on a NVIDIA graphics card. If you look close to the system, you can actually see the water cooling loop go into the back of the system. This is because this PC also uses a water-cooled power supply. The chassis is an InWin 303 NVIDIA edition. It has a SuperMicro gaming motherboard with an i7 Intel processor. It has 16 gigs of ballistic memory and a GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card. This chassis was launched before the vertical GPU brackets was a thing, so I created my own to be able to show it off like this. The power supply being used in this system is an FSP Bitspower one. The entire loop is made up of Bitspower water cooling parts, from the pipes to the fittings to the blocks. This was my triangular build. I hope you enjoyed it and I can't wait to show you my next case mod.
Thanks Tim for sharing your build, and congratulations for winning DreamHack's 2018 Open category last December with your awesome Fortnite Thermaltake P90. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you for the next one.